A few years ago, I stood at the edge of a reality I never expected. Alone raising my two daughters, carrying a weight I wasn't sure I could bear. Life felt like an uphill battle, one that never seemed to level out. Bills stacked up, dreams felt distant, and every day I asked myself, is this all there is? I wanted more than survival. I wanted my daughters to see that life isn't about just making it through the day. It's about building something bigger, something that lasts, something that changes everything. So I started small. Late nights in the kitchen, experimenting, failing, learning, selling my first-hand products with shaky confidence, wondering if this could really be the answer. But with every sale, with every lesson, I realized I wasn't just building a business, I was building us. It wasn't easy. There were setbacks, moments where I wanted to quit, but every step forward reminded me I was walking towards something greater. My daughters weren't just watching, they were learning. Learning that struggle is not the end of the story, it's the beginning of greatness. Then something changed. I realized I wasn't just selling products. I was creating a legacy, a movement, a place where creativity, family, and business come together. The artisan powerhouse wasn't just born. It was forged through resilience, passion, and belief in something bigger than myself. If you are watching this and feeling stuck, if life feels like an endless climb with no summit in sight, I want you to know you are stronger than you think. Your dreams are not impossible. Your story is not over. The climb is tough, but the view from the top, worth every step. This is your time. Your journey starts now. Let's rise together.